Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Chrome running slow. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to fix your Chrome running slow, then you can simply go and tap open your Chrome. Once you're in your Chrome, you can simply go and tap on the three dots, then tap on the settings, and once you're here, you can simply scroll down to performance. Once you have simply gone to the performance section, you can simply turn on the memory saver. Once you have simply done that as well, you can then come back and close the unwanted tabs. You can simply tap on the tabs that are currently open. You can simply turn it off. Once you have done this, it will also save a lot of memory from your device. After this, you can also go to your settings and tap on Chrome. After tapping on Chrome, you can simply clear the cache of Chrome. Once you have cleared that as well, you can be able to simply get a lot of better performance as well. So this way you can simply fix Chrome running slow. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.